Hey bitches, welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know who I am, my name is Darcy and today we are going to dive into some original creations here. Your girl did some shit. I don't even know. I was just feeling the creative juices and they were flowing and I was like, all right, boom, boom, here is the eye look. Do you like? Do you like? Well, hold on to your horses, bitches. Cause we about to dive into this shit. You about to be able to see how you can make this shit for yourself. Alright? But you know the drill. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you can see my videos when they come out. Alright bitches, let's get into this shit. So, first things first, I am going to priming my face with the Physicians Formula Spotlight Primer. This is just like a really glowy, shiny primer. It says it has age-defying actives in it. So that sounds good. Then I'm going to be going in and combining my two foundation shades. This is the Healthy Foundation by Physicians Formula and my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Next, I'm going to go do my brows and then I'll be right back. My foundation and my brows, so that's already done. And we're just going to jump right into the eye look. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids with some Tarte Shape Tape. Then I'm going to take my Real Techniques, this is base shadow brush, and I'm going to be going in with this dark purple shade down here. Then I'm going to go in with my Eco Tools pointed concealer brush, and I'm going to go in with this bright as pink, neon pink. And that's going to go in the crease and around the outer corner of my eye right here. Go in with a clean brush and buff it out. Then I'm going to take my little tiny brush, it's like a curved brush, and I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to cut out this middle section right here on my lid. Now I'm going to go in with this bright blue sparkly shade right there and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Definitely a fucking mess, but I'm gonna clean it up. Look at my fingers. Yo, okay, bitch. Alright. I'm so ridiculous. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with some concealer and clean all that extra shit up. Okay darlings, now I'm going to go in and do my under eye. I'm going to blend this pink shade up here and then from the inner corner I'm going to take the blue shade so they kind of meet in the middle and like blend together. Woo! That looks like some really fucking good shit. Oh my god. Y'all. With myself. Who do I think I am? What? Okay. Now that we're done being extra, I have to like put on the rest of my face. Okay. So now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on some mascara, and then I'll do the rest of my face. For bronzer, I'm going to be using my Tarte Park Ave Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. is like a shimmery one. I'm going to be using the Pixie Beauty Fresh Face. For blush, I'm going to be using the Pixie Beauty Fresh Face Blush in the shade Beach Rose. Y'all, I can't say that name. That is like too much. Fresh Face Blush. I'll tell you, I'm holding everything in my lap. I'm holding everything in my lap. It keeps falling. Alright. Finally! I'm gonna do my lips. So I'm gonna be going in with my go-to. Y'all know what this is. Literally the only lip pencil I have, except for the one in my makeup bag, which is in my purse and I don't want to take it out. This is the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in the shade Lost and Love. Yo, I forgot highlight. Okay, so let's do my inner corner first. I'm gonna go in with my Frosty Icy shade here in my Natural Love palette, which is Poodle. Then for the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, of course. And I'm actually going to switch it up and use the shade Moonstone, the only other shade I ever use. Gloss, so I'm going to be using this ColourPop gloss. I have no idea what shade it is. I just know it's a ColourPop gloss. I got it in an Ipsy bag. I just like the pink shade and I think it matches with this eye look. Alright. Signature end to my look. I'm always just like, alright. Okay. Alright. Final step. Setting spray. This is of course Flower Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray. Ugh. Okay, here is the final look. Y'all, these eyes though. Who do I think I fucking am? Oh my goodness. You know, this side don't look as dark. Let me clear this up. Hold on. I don't know. I think I'm like a summer carnival going bitch. Yes. We about to go to the carnival. Is that what we're about to do? No, we're not. We're not. We're not. With like a little date, little boyfriend, little boo, little side thing. You know what I'm saying? Or go to like a bar out in like the country and shit with like real ass neon lights, something like that, you know, under neon lights. This look would look banging. It would just look so good. I'm so proud of myself. Yeah, and this is 100% Darcy original creation. What? Why? I don't know. I can't. If I say I felt inspired one more time, I'm going to. No, it wasn't that. I just honestly did a look similar to this for one of my friend's birthday parties a couple weeks ago. And I was like, I love these colors together. I don't know why I don't use them. These were like the two shades in my color gun palette that I never touched before. And I was like, why haven't I used these? But the bigger question is, why haven't I used these together? You know what I'm saying? Alright, this video is already hella long. Let me not continue to talk a bunch of shit. So yeah, I will see you bitches later. Bye.